What's going on, everyone? Golden Ticket to History coming to you today to talk about the various preparations being made by Orlando, Florida theme parks in the preparations of Hurricane Ian, who's scheduled to make landfall here in the next 48 to 72 hours. Currently, as of right now, many people have been wondering what's going on with Universal Studios Orlando. Will it be shutting down? What's going to happen with Halloween Horror Nights? Will that also be carrying on, considering the fact that the event ends around the same time that the storm is supposed to be making landfall here in the state of Florida? And so many questions that so many people have as they're making flight plans and travel plans and hotel plans. And we're planning on coming here. Many people make their plans to come to Central Florida, in some cases months, if not years, out from the actual date of showing up. So this is not something that just happens dramatically overnight in relations to the preparations. So for those of you who are trying to figure out what's going on with the theme parks, I am here to let you know some of the updates as of right now. Currently, as of right now, it seems that most of the major theme parks in Orlando have decided to close some operations. However, they're keeping open the main operations as we speak. For example, if we're looking at Universal Studios Orlando, a statement made by the park operations was that at this time our park operations and hours are continuing as normal. They are closely monitoring the weather and they'll make plans and procedures in place for any significant weather that both time proven and constantly will be updated as we get closer to the storm making landfall. Everything revolves around the safety of their guests and team members. A spokesperson provided an update from Universal Orlando. So it's still time will tell. Typically 24 to 36 hours out from landfall is typically when we start to see the biggest impacts in relations to the theme parks making decisions. As we've seen historically, Walt Disney World does not close down typically when hurricanes are coming. They've only closed down a few times over the course of their history, besides the massive close down for the coronavirus pandemic. So there's definitely a lot of questions of will they actually close down and what will the park operations look like if they do decide to stay open during the hurricane. What will that look like? Let me know down in the comments below if you've ever been to one of the theme parks during one of these natural disasters, one of these global events such as a hurricane, earthquakes, typhoons, you name it. As always, continue to look for the history in film. Stay safe out there. Make sure to make the right preparations. Pay attention to your local news stations and make the best educated decisions that impact you and your family. As always, catch you guys in the next vlog. See you guys next time. Stay safe, everyone.